Come on. So we're tightening this down, make it snug, and then you're going to very carefully open this up, and you want to put, see how it comes back? You want to put this, there's a hole right here, you're going to put the safety pin in. So open and very carefully put the safety pin in. It looks just like that. This safety pin will prevent this bar from coming all the way back. We're going to install this just like that. This is how a Larson hidden closer closes the door, nice and slow and steady.